Hi. Welcome to Just Trading. In this video, our team give you an analysis with the information we got after the closing day of August 16, 2021. Our objective is to give you suggestions to trade with less risk and higher capital return. Remember to stop the video at any time, if you want to look at it carefully. Here, we show you an example of the stock's timestamp that you can find on the video's comments. You can click on the timestamp and go to the stock's details. SP500 ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Dow Jones Industrial ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Nasdaq 100 ETF belongs to the bear high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Corporate bond ETF belongs to the trade high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Bitcoin, thousands, belongs to the bull normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the market sectors table. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a mild opportunity to sell technology sector ETF. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 3.6%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $155.08. For a vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.27.
Energy sector ETF belongs to the trade high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of energy sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Phillips 66 company. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 8.8%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $73.36. For a vertical call option, an estimated price is at $1.27. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. Valero Energy is a mild buy suggestion. It is on a trade high class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average buy return of 3.5%. You may expect now a buy return of 5.2%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $66.31, but we expect a possible buy price of $63.14. In addition, we suggest to stop buying Valero Energy if it is below 1.45% of your stock price trade. This is a new buy suggested vertical call option. On the table, Valero Energy has a buy call strike price at $65 and a sell call strike price at $68. For this spread option, it will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $1. Financial sector ETF belongs to the bull normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of financial sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy MasterCard Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 1.4%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $382.59. For a vertical call option, an estimated price is at $3.04. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell American International G. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 1.7%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $52.49. For a vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.35. Bank of America was a previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that Bank of America is a bull normal class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 3.3%. You may expect now a buy return of 2.4%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $42.27. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $41.29, unless is undervalued. Bank of America was a previous suggested vertical call option. The buy call strike price was bought at $42, and the sell call strike price was sold at $43. We are holding it, unless we decide to sell it before the expiration date on August 20, 2021. Real estate sector ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of real estate sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Prologis. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 3.1%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $131.34. For vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.02.
Healthcare sector ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of healthcare sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Pfizer Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 4.1%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $46.82. For vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.12. This is a new buy suggested vertical put option. On the table, Abbott Laboratories has a sell put strike price at $122, and a buy put strike price at $124. For this spread option, it will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $0.53. AbbVie Incorporated was a previous suggested iron condor option. Today, we suggest to sell it. Eli Lilly and Company was a previous suggested vertical call option. Today, we suggest to sell it. Pfizer Incorporated was a previous suggested vertical put option. The sell put strike price was sold at $46, and the buy put strike price was bought at $47. We are holding it, unless we decide to sell it before the expiration date on August 20, 2021. Industrial sector ETF belongs to the bull normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of industrial sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. FedEx Corporation is a strong sell suggestion. It is on a bull low class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average sell return of 2.1%. You may expect now a sell return of 2.3%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $279.7. But we expect a possible sell price of $283.15. In addition, we suggest to stop selling FedEx Corporation if it is over 3.70% of your stock price trade. This is a new buy suggested vertical put option. On the table, FedEx Corporation has a sell put strike price at $275, and a buy put strike price at $277.5. For this spread option, it will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $0.88. This is a new buy suggested vertical call option. On the table, General Electric has a buy call strike price at $104, and a sell call strike price at $105.5. For this spread option, it will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $0.57. This is a new buy-suggested butterfly option. On the table, Raytheon Technologies has two buy calls strike price at $86.5 and at $89, and a sell call strike price at $87.75. This spread option will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $0.19.
Material sector ETF belongs to the bull normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of material sector. There is a mild opportunity to buy Air Products Chemicals. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 1.8%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $283.05. For vertical call option, an estimated price is at $3.83. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Sherwin-Williams. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 0.9%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $299.7. For vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.02. Air Products Chemicals was a previous suggested long stock. Today, we suggest to sell it. DuPont de Nemours was a previous suggested vertical put option. The sell put strike price was sold at $75, and the buy put strike price was bought at $76. We are holding it, unless we decide to sell it before the expiration date on August 20, 2021. Discretionary sector ETF belongs to the bear high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of discretionary sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Roku Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 4.7%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $366.96. For vertical call option, an estimated price is at $4.76. On the other hand, there is a weak opportunity to sell Amazon Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 1.8%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $3,291.15. For vertical put option, an estimated price is at $14.48. McDonald's is a mild sell suggestion. It is on a trade normal class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average sell return of 1.4%. You may expect now a sell return of 0.8%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $240.39, but we expect a possible sell price of $243.92. In addition, we suggest to stop selling McDonald's if it is over 0.75% of your stock price trade. This is a new buy suggested vertical put option. On the table, McDonald's has a sell put strike price at $237.5 and a buy put strike price at $240. For this spread option, it will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $0.93. Consumer Staples ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of Staples sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Costco wholesale. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 2.1%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $443.33. For vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.06. This is a new buy suggested vertical put option. On the table, Procter & Gamble has a sell put strike price at $141 and a buy put strike price at $144. For this spread option, it will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $0.86.
Technology sector ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of technology sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Western Digital. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 6.7%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $65.59. For vertical call option, an estimated price is at $0.35. On the other hand, there is a mild opportunity to sell Microsoft Corporation. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 4.5%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $291.43. For vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.12. Apple Incorporated was the previous suggested butterfly option. Today, we suggest to sell it. This is a new buy suggested butterfly option. On the table, Broadcom Incorporated has two buy calls strike price at $480 and at $490, and a sell call strike price at $485. This spread option will expire on August 27, 2021, and the estimated price is at $1.09. Intel Corporation was a previous suggested butterfly option. Today, we suggest to sell it. Western Digital is a strong buy suggestion. It is on a bear normal class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average buy return of 1.3%. You may expect now a buy return of 6.7%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $65.59. But we expect a possible buy price of $60.59. In addition, we suggest to stop buying Western Digital if it is below 1.35% of your stock price trade. Communication sector ETF belongs to the bear high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of communication sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy T-Mobile US. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 5.4%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $141.71. For vertical call option, an estimated price is at $1.04. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. Utility sector ETF was a previous top sell alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it short. You can observe that utility sector ETF is a bull high class. In the past, it has given an average sell return of 0.6%. You may expect now a sell return of 0.7%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $68.58. But we expect a possible buy price of $68.39. On the other hand, we suggest to stop selling if the price is $69.7, unless it's overvalued. Let's look at the stocks table of utility sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell NextEra Energy. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 1.7%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $81.41. For vertical put option, an estimated price is at $0.03.
This ends the analysis of our team that gives you a good start on your trading day. Please, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share it and leave it a like if you find it useful. Thanks for following us. We hope to see you on our next JusTrading video. Bye.